OpenAI's Sora, a text-to-video tool, is causing concern in Hollywood about potential job displacement in the media industry. Sora is an AI model that can create near-real videos up to 1 minute long from text prompts, similar to ChatGPT. It has garnered attention for its incredible performance and potential to shake up the industry. Important figures in Hollywood, including a director and actor Tyler Perry, have expressed awe and concern about Sora's capabilities. One director described it as both amazing and terrifying, while Tyler Perry put a hold on a studio expansion in Atlanta after witnessing Sora's work. The introduction of Sora is already causing ripples in the industry, with key players expressing a mix of amazement and apprehension about its potential impact on their jobs. Dive into the discussion with Yzee News as we explore the impact of Sora on Hollywood jobs and creativity. From directors to actors, discover how industry professionals are reacting to this AI breakthrough. Join us as we delve into the future of media production and the evolving relationship between technology and human creativity.